Hi everyone, I'm Srishti. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. First of all, Happy New Year to all of you. Today is the 1st January, and today is a special day for me because I'm shooting this video outdoors. For the past few days, I have really wanted to record videos outside, to speak freely, to express my thoughts naturally, and to feel more comfortable while talking. Being outdoors give me that space to speak openly and confidently. Some of you might have already seen my shorts videos. Those were quick clips and small moments. But today I wanted to slow down and talk to you properly. This channel is all about growth, communication, and consistency. We use English every day at work, in interviews, while meeting new people, and while sharing our ideas. Sometimes we have clear thoughts in our minds, but the next step is expressing them smoothly. That's what this journey about. I truly believe confidence comes from practice, not perfection. So the more we speak, the more confident we become. And this channel is my space to practice, improve, and grow every single day. If you have watched my shorts video before, then thank you for coming back. And if you want to speak naturally, express yourself clearly, build confidence step by step, so then this channel is for you. I will be sharing more shorts videos, long videos like this, and real life topics. So make sure you subscribe and be part of this journey. And if this video connects with you, like it, comments your thoughts, and tell me where you're watching from. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys.